Hello, I am Madhu Pilpalli. Here I am unboxing a new device, that is Amazon Alexa Echo.3. It is the third generation Echo.3. Just I got this from Amazon. The weight of this box is 0.62 kilogram, and my shipping address is here, Madhu Kurvachat House. Okay, I am trying to cut the lid. Okay, there are some boxes here. This is the details of this machine, and one blue box is here, and some safety measures are there on the box. Okay. Amazon. Name of the commodity is Echo Dot. The maximum retail price is 4,499. Contains one and dot, one adapter. Okay, it is made in China. Okay, Alexa Echo Dot. A beautiful box actually. I'm trying to cut this also. Yes, this is Amazon Alexa, Amazon Echo Dot. Yes, it is very different from the older versions. It is beautiful. There is a covering here. Okay. The product number is given on the back side. There are 4 buttons. We shall discuss the buttons, the functionalities of the button later. Some ports are here. We shall look the boxes. What are the other items given here? One material is there. Echo Dot warranty card is here. Some tips to use this, and one charger is here, Amazon charger. It is 15 watts, so it is a high power. We can think that it is a high power adapter. The number is given here. Oh, it is having sufficient length. Lot of length is there here actually. Oh, we can use it very. I think it is having 2 meters length. More than 2 meters length is here. Okay, I am trying to charge this. I'm trying to putting on. Okay, Actually, it is very beautiful, and one light is surrounding over this machine. It is very beautiful. Actually, it is nice to see. What are the buttons? We can check. Plus button is here, minus button. Hello. Some sound is coming from the machine.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just download the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Actually, the third generation Alexa is very user friendly. We have to download the app on the mobile and connect the device with the mobile. So after connecting the mobile or after downloading the particular app, I shall explain, I shall continue after some time. Okay, thank you.